Good evening, guys. Today, set up my blinder, coyote hunt tomorrow. Blind right here, cover up with a tree um, on the front. So we kind of cover up. So, yep, make sure no coyote can see us in there. Yep. And then this is the direction we're going to shoot. It's about 80 yards. Yep. See the blue or white stinky over there? That 50. And way down there is 100. So any coyote walk in to that target, so we're going to shoot him. Alright, so just about to finish set up my blind. So here where we going to put our chair tomorrow. Đây ông thầy, mới đây lo Asao, mới đây lo Asao tan. Yêu mong lẽ cả mỏ, các bờ rễ. Như yêu, các bài đỏ mà nè, cánh sau như đây, sau. We see one, but it's so fast. Oh, it run away. So now we kind of move to another position, and then we wait over there and put some call and see what happens. I see a lot of deer track, but we're not hunting for deer. We're hunting for coyote. Yep, coyote is smart though. So we saw one right here, but he kind of big. Yeah, right. You see the white line right there. That where we see one.
From there, I see he run away here. If he stay here, maybe I message.
Yeah.
He stay around here, so we
Okay.
she can get out.
So I don't have clear shot, so I'm just waiting for him to take a shot. But that coyote not stand for. Well, yep. You gotta be fast when you want to shoot a coyote. So this is my AR, but let's see what we can do. Well, I put another call right here. All right, stay tuned.
blur bit lah bang.
I see nothing. No coyote. It's only one this morning. We keep waiting. We keep waiting.
We see deer.
Yeah, saw 2 deer, 1 doe and 1
Big buck.
big buck. Yeah, I think probably 15 point, maybe. So it's a black powder season, but we are at the wrong season hunting coyote right now. But who care, right? So you see, you shoot. There's a boy out here too. Look.
Waiting for coyote. Want to kill a coyote, not for deer today.
Yeah, no deer. We ain't kill no deer today. It's the wrong season and the wrong game. Black powder, not gun. Alright guys, so I think we're done. Alright, I give up. So I don't know. I am come back to coyote hunting for a while probably. So now it's a deer season, so everybody go hunting deer. Alright, we pack up our stuff and going home. This evening we're going to deer hunt. So hopefully we look for today, but we not look for coyote today. Well, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next hunting. Cool.